Hello from Wadex, the forest farm. It's a winter now. Everything seems still frozen, but it's not so. And some birds are still here. They are flying around, and this is a mugwort or Artemisia vulgaris. It's a really important bird food for the winter for the small birds, because there is still some seeds in the plant and also some kind of I don't know English name, is some white small worms. Actually my father did ice fishing using these worms, and probably they are still there during winter. If you open the stem and look inside, somewhere you could find them. And we save this plant for the wildlife. Here is a planted tree, some small tree. Here is a mugwort, that it's not the obstacle for tree. And there is some next tree. And this mugwort gives some shelter also for tree, wind protection. And it's almost only grass what is a stay about the snow when it's quite snowy in the winter. And it's really important for small birds and maybe somewhere else eat, but mainly the small birds. What is important in the farm, because in the summertime they eat those insects that are eating my plants, and this is part of the natural balance, if you could call it. And yeah, and try to observe what is happening, and also probably you could save some plants what could be useful for wildlife. Thanks for watching. See you in the forest.